as a garden lover, when I go to Amazon and search gardening tool products in it, I got the number of options for gardening tools. I got confused which one to buy. So I decided to buy two products, which is under 500 and another is 100. Stay tuned with us till the end of the video as we are going to compare this product as well. I'm Komal from Plant with Komal and let's get started. So I'm going to unbox this two parcel. As a garden lover, you love to maintain your garden. And you want some amazing tools that ease your work and help you to make your garden more beautiful. If you want this product, the link is given in the description below. Oh, it's nice packaging. Oh, it has gloves. Right. This is nice gloves. Not so good, but not so bad as well. As a garden lover, you love touching soils. Like, हम garden lovers को ये नहीं है कि हम मिट्टी कैसे छुए. We love मिट्टी. My hand is small, so it is quite loose for me. But yes, it is quite fit. Yes, I will wear another as well for mixing soil or also touching the thorn plants like bougainvillea or some plants you were pruning. It protect your hand from cut and scratches and also the pebbles and diseased soil, so it's nice, quite handy and good grip. These products are by Craft Seed. So we'll check another product which is fork. Okay, this is cultivator used in loosening the soil, removing the pebbles, clearing the soils and also help in weeding the soil to remove the dust particle from the soil. So this is used for this. So another tool is trowel, curved safe trowel. You can see the curves. Okay, you can see these curves. This is curved safe trowel. Mostly this tool is used for transplanting. So like if you are moving your plants or tree from one place to another, you can use this tool. This is very good tool. It also holds some soil which help to transplant from one place to another. So yes, it is kind of all-in-one tool. It's not premium, but as per the budget is quite good. Grip is good. The nickels, जो nuts वगैरह ये काफी tight है, so it is not loose. This trowel is flat trowel. When you transplant, you have to dig. But this tool in gardening help in loosening the soils and also give the right direction when we transplant one plant to another. Its also grip is nice. The metal is quite tight. It is not loose. This is gardening fork. Basically, it is used for mixing the soil. We are mixing some soils, some pot mix for our garden or pots. This helps to mix well and also help in losing the soil near the roots to improve the aeration and water absorption for the plant. And last we have weeder. This is weeder. You can see its shape. It is one V shape. Helps the gardener to remove the weeds from the stem or direct from the roots. And some weeds and some plant weeds we don't need in our garden and which cause unnecessary mess in our garden. So this tool helps us to remove those unwanted weeds from our garden. Yes. So these are 7 products which we get under 500 from Amazon and it is quite nice that we have all tools under 500 budget, so it's good tool. So now we are going to open the product which is under 100. I'm also waiting for this product because I want to see the quality of this product as well. Oh, I think this is quite a small tools. Oh, it is quite a small and cute tools, huh? It is very small tools. If you remember, we have some small, वो छोटे-छोटे खिलौने जो आते थे. It's quite looking like that. Oh yes, look, it is so small. Like your kid can also play with this tool. And if you want to involve your kids in gardening, it is best tool to practice with them. So it is quite small as per my expectation. As you can see, it is just like the size of my hand. So it is, but this tool you can use in your pots. If you are the urban planter in a space and you have lots of pots in your home, so this tool is quite useful for that. For only small pots. Like if you think for the soil or large garden bed, I don't feel it is that much useful क्योंकि ये काफी छोटा है. You can look the size. ये काफी छोटा है. Quality is quite nice. Like yes, the metal is quite tight fit and this is like wooden texture is quite look premium and good quality, very cute to use. These tools can be used in a pots easily because like in pots we don't have large area, so yes, these tools can be used in pots. So now it's a comparison time. As you can see, we have 7 products under 500 and 3 products under just 100. But coming to the comparison, if you can see this cultivator size, almost half of half, no, almost is completely half of the size. Trowels, you can see the size of this trowel and these trowels. If you want to involve the children in your garden, if you feel they might not get hurt from the tools, this is the good one to enjoy the gardening. And also for the pots. So as comparison of both of the product, I feel this is more useful because of size, because when you have the garden, you love doing the gardening, you can't limit yourself to pots only, and this is very small, like very small, it consumes most time. So I feel the product under 500 due to its size, this might good fit for the gardens users. Stay tuned with us because in next video we will be reviewing this product in our garden, and we're also going to show you the all use cases of these tools. I hope you like this unboxing style video. I'm Komal from Plant with Komal, and I will see you in the next one. Do follow us on Instagram, and in comment let us know what is your favorite gardening tool. Happy planting!